Hello everyone, I am Kei Yoneyama, the product manager for PlayStation VR2. PSVR2 has brought a dramatic evolution to the virtual reality gaming experience thanks to the innovative PSVR2 Sense technology, and it's designed to be comfortable and easy to use at the same time. We can't wait for everyone to feel a new dimension of play. I'd like to give you a walkthrough of PSVR2 today while unboxing the product. Here is the PSVR2 packaging. If you take a look at the box, you will notice that the outside is blue and there is a white box inside, so it consists of two layers. The PlayStation shapes design, triangle, circle, close, square, that surround the white box is inspired by the concept of a 360-degree virtual space. Let's start unboxing. Within the white box, you will find another box containing the accessories you need for setup. The instruction manual, one USB cable for charging and pairing the controllers, stereo headphones that plug into the VR headset, and a set of headphone earpieces are included. These earpieces come in three sizes: small, medium, and large, with the medium size pre-installed on the headphones. These earpieces can be swapped out for the size that best fits you. Next, we have the PSVR2 headset and both left and right PSVR2 Sense controllers. The controllers come with the straps attached. These are all the items included in the box. The inside of the box uses pulpwood from fast-growing sugarcane and bamboo. Just to add, we made our best efforts to be as environmentally friendly as possible, such as using paper-based cable ties and minimal use of plastic packaging. The PSVR2 headset comes with one cable, as you can see. When connecting to PlayStation 5, you can simply plug it into the USB Type-C port on the front of the PS5 and the setup will start. The setup is much easier and quicker in comparison to PlayStation VR. You can jump right into the world of virtual reality as soon as you want to play. Let me explain more about the VR headset. There is a headband adjustment dial and a headband release button behind the headband. These are used to put on and take off the headset. The scope also has various buttons. Let's start from the top side of the scope. This is the scope adjustment button. You can move the scope back and forth while pressing this button to adjust the fit to your face. This is the new lens adjustment dial we added to PSVR2. By tuning this dial, the distance between the lenses can be widened or shortened. This allows the center of the lens to be aligned with your eye positions, ensuring a clear image. Now, let's look at the bottom side of the scope. This button at the center is the power button. This is the microphone. This microphone allows voice chat and other voice-activated functions without additional external equipment. This button here is the function button. Pressing this button switches the view from the game screen to the see-through view screen, allowing you to easily see what is going on around you in the real world while wearing the VR headset. This is a convenient way to find your controllers or place them down. Next up is the PSVR2 Sense controllers. Both left and right controllers are included in the box. When using the controller, please be sure to strap it on. First, put your hand through the strap like this, and then, by twisting your wrist outwards, the strap can be easily tightened. Next, put your hand through the ring like this, and hold the controller. The PS buttons are on both left and right controllers. They don't have directional keys, but have left and right sticks on each side. The action buttons are divided between the left and right controllers, with the triangle and square buttons on the left, and the circle and close buttons on the right. On the left controller, we have the Create button, and on the right controller, we have the Option button. Let's look at the back of the controllers. These left and right trigger buttons, located at the index finger position, are the L2 and R2 buttons. These grip buttons, located at the middle finger position, are the L1 and R1 buttons. Next, we have the stereo headphones. Set them on the headset like this before using PS VR2. When the headphones are not in use, the earpieces can be stored in the earpiece holder of the VR headset. In addition to the stereo headphones that come with the system, you can also use your own stereo headphones. Now, I will demonstrate how to wear the VR headset. Press the scope adjustment button and pull the scope all the way out. Press the headband release button on the back to unlock the headband. While pressing this button, pull the headband back. You can keep your glasses on as how I'm doing now, and still wear the VR headset comfortably. Once the VR headset is on your head, turn the headband adjustment dial at the release button to tighten the headband and lock it in position. If you want to loosen the headband, press the headband release button in the middle to unlock it. Press the scope adjustment button to bring the scope closer to your face. Then, adjust the distance between the lenses using the lens adjustment dial and find the position where the screen appears the clearest. To enjoy PS VR2 comfortably, it is very important to find the right position for you. Adjust the headband position, the forward-backward position, the angle of the scope, and the distance between the lenses for the best comfort and vision. You can also use the PS VR2 settings menu on your PS5 to guide you through the system and make your headset adjustments. Next up, how to remove the VR headset. While pressing the scope adjustment button, pull the scope all the way outward. Press the headband release button to unlock and loosen the headband. While removing the headband, take it off like this. There is one last thing I would like to share with you. This box is designed to be able to store PS VR2. After playing with the PS VR2, you can neatly tuck away the VR headset and controller in this box like this and use it as a storage box. PS VR2 incorporates many innovations such as a product design, box, new see-through view function, and lens distance adjustments so that everyone can play comfortably. We hope you enjoy the amazing virtual reality gaming experience and feel a new real through PlayStation VR2.
PlayStation